Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and today I'm in Taipei in Taiwan. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the photos which I've been able to take using my Sony ZV E10 APS-C mirrorless camera, coupled with the kit lens which came with it, which is the 16-50mm F3.5-F5.6. So as I said, I'm here today in Taipei. In about an hour's time, or maybe even less, it's going to start getting dark here. Sunset is about 6 o'clock today. So I'm going to take advantage and take a few photos around the streets of the area that I'm in. And then once the sun sets, I'm going to visit one of the world famous local night street markets where you can find all types of goods, but in particular where you can sample some of the most exquisite traditional dishes of the area at a very low price. So as I said, I'm going to be using my Sony ZV E10 APS-C mirrorless camera and the kit lens which came with it, and let's see the results that I can get. Well, I hope you liked the photos. If you found this video interesting and you like content of this type, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.